Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to disable your seatbelt chime. Even though you're in park or just your ignition is on, your seatbelt will always go on, and that annoying beeping sound will drive you mad. So this is the way you can disable it. You have to turn off your ignition all the way off. Then you have to grab your seatbelt and click it 20 times within 30 seconds. In and out. This is how you do it. So turn it on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And you turn your ignition off. Now when you turn your car back on, you are gonna get an initial beep at the beginning, but that should be it. You shouldn't be able to hear your seatbelt chime again. But remember, always buckle up for safety when you're driving. But when you just want to enjoy your lunch or whatever in the car and you don't want that seatbelt chime on, that's how you disable it. Ignition on 20 times in and out within 30 seconds, ignition off, and that should fix your issue. No more beeping. By now you would have been beeping like a mad. That's it. And this is a 2007 Subaru Outback XT model. It shouldn't matter. That's it. No more seatbelt chime. And as you can see, no seatbelt.